Machiegni weche mag tuke duol mochung'ne ng'weche pacho ka oyango kweth jong'wech mabiro ting'o bendera mar Kenya e piem mag Olimpiks mibiro bag e piny France boma mar Paris. Ng'wech mag luoro nyadi 25. Jackson Tuwe motone AK yango nitie mare ni kwe kata kweth duto go biro kelo duoko makare ne piny Kenya kod midiel mathoth. Kweth jotugo moting'o Beatrice Chebet, Lilian Kasait, Margaret Chelimo, Nicholas Kimeli, Bernard Kibet e kind mamoko kendo biro mole tugo go mibiro bago tarik 26.
And therefore, we all need to pull together, we all need to support each other, we all need to support this team that is going there, and we all need to see that they have everything that is required. And I have a lot of confidence. The way we have worked with National Olympic Committee of Kenya from the time we selected the marathon team, and the way they have supported, they have supported this other one, and they have also supported this, and they have also supported the trials that is starting tomorrow. So we are not on our own, we are all together. And this is the way forward. If we pull together, we are likely to get